Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to block someone in WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp from your apps list. Tap on the new chat from the bottom right corner. Now go to the person's profile whom you want to block. Tap on the three dot from the top right corner. From the drop down menu, tap on the last option, More. A new menu will open. Here you can find the option Block. Tap on this. Confirmation message will pop up. If you want to block this person, then tap on Block. Go back to your friends list. And you can see the selected person is blocked. In this way, you can block someone in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.